What's going on, guys? Time Text here to back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to increase your TikTok. Guys, the first thing you have to do is you have to follow like famous people like Charlie, Dixie and Addison Ray, because they gain like over 1 million followers in a day, and you have to follow them instead people to follow you. You're gonna follow her, and you're gonna follow another celebrity like Dixie and Addison Ray, because they gain over like 1 million followers in every day. And after you do that, you're gonna go back to your account and you're gonna go to your following and you're gonna start unfollowing them. And following them, unfollowing them, you're gonna get like a lot of followers. And you have to slow down because TikTok's gonna ban you if you do like too fast. I'm gonna like take it too slow maybe. I'm gonna do like 3 more times. One more time, one last time. Now it's done. All I have to do is go back and I'm gonna go out from TikTok. I'm gonna open it again, and you can see I already get over 3 followers just now because I do that. And again, one more, another one. Now I was 16 and I'm now 64. If you want to get like more followers, you can keep doing that like forever if you want. This is how you do it, guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section, and if this helped you out, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and peace.